Hi, this is just a short video because I forgot to show you one method of parallel compression that's really handy. It's really easy. No matter what DAW you're working in, you can do this. So in Cubase you would just create an FX channel, just do the same in whatever DAW you're using, and in that DAW add your compressor. Dynamics. There we go. Okay, so that's now a send effect, which is very unusual for compressors, but not when you're doing this. Anyway, just set up some crazy settings. So for really heavy duty compression, I'll just take that auto off. In fact, we'll just find a loop and we'll send that loop to the compressor. I'll just hide everything except the loops at the moment. Okay, so we've got our drum loop here. Now we can use this to test the amount of compression. So if we just go to the audio files, the audio tracks sends, and put in the FabFilter Pro C, which is this, turn it on. So then just turn this up. Okay, so we're going to now send the drum loop to this compressor. Doesn't seem to be doing much, does it? Although it is, you can obviously see that, but it's not really compressing as much as I wanted it to. So let's get into some of these settings. Okay, that's compressing a lot. Obviously I need to turn it up. Okay, so we'll just increase the attack. Obviously, as you can look now, it's doing it about 11 dB, so we'll just need to turn it down a bit. In fact, it really doesn't matter how loud you have this. Again, because you're using the send amount, it doesn't really matter. Basically, you just want really, really extreme compression on this drum loop, or whatever else you actually send. So just to give it that that kick, that punch. So now you can definitely hear the punch coming through. You can hear, because we've put a slow release on that it's not as punchy anymore. And obviously the slow attack. Okay, so there, that's your parallel compression again, just in a different way. Basically, you use a send effect, you put on a compressor and really put the settings into heavy duty compression. Again, for the purpose of parallel compression, what we're wanting to do is bring out the transients and the attacks of specific sounds. And then, in the channel that you want to affect, for instance, I've got another channel here, the bongo channel. Let's just affect that now. So what you do is you go to the bongo channel sends, select the sampler that you're using, so let's have a listen, and then you just add the amount of parallel compression. Okay, so we've got our bongos. Sends, and just start adding it. It was muted, so put it down again. You can hear it really making a difference on the bongos straight away. So what you can use that for is to bring the bongos through the mix. So let's have a listen to the mix. Okay, as you can hear, we can't hear the bongos at the moment. Now I'll just unmute them. Okay, so they're playing, but we can't really hear them. Let's see if this parallel compression helps with that at all. I can hear them now. So as you can see, what's actually happening there is, because we're working on the transients using the parallel compression, it's allowing the sound itself to come through the mix, whereas without it, as you can plainly hear, it's dead, it's just not there. Okay, so I hope this little video was useful for you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.